Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to lock a OneNote page from editing. Let's begin. To lock a OneNote page from editing, all you have to do is open the OneNote app on your mobile device and hover to the notebooks or page that you wanted to lock it. Alright, in my case, I'm going to be choosing G+. There should be an option here. For example, I'm gonna make sure that this page is updated. All right, and then there is a three-dot section here. Click the share notebook. Now, for you to be able to make it like locked and no one can edit it, click the copy link to notebook. Don't worry, because if you do that, there is an option that says view only. All right, so anyone with this link can view only and cannot edit notebook or use share. They can only view it. For example, it's going to be for their eyes only if you're working with experiment data or information you're sending to your client, or if you are a part of a collaborative environment working with multiple freelancers or team members and you don't want to accidentally them make changes or delete some information, important information, just choose that section. All right, share notebook, copy link notebook, and view only. They do not have the capability to edit this from here onwards. But of course, if you want to let them edit the page, just click the view edit, and anyone with this link can see or edit the notebook that is shared. All right, but for now, I'm just gonna make sure that you go to the settings again, share notebook, and invite people to notebook. Copy the link right here, view only, and then share this to your team members, to your clients, so that they can view the information here. It's kind of like easy. All right, you see that? Type the names here or email address, and there should be an option that says can edit. Obviously cannot, and just type in, for example, all right, and then put the names here. It's quite easy. All right, so no one from your contacts would be able to edit this specific page on your account. Now, I find it very useful in shared notebooks. You prevent collaborators from editing specific pages while still allowing access to view them. I do this a lot to my client and to my team members because here in the G+ YouTube channel, we are a handful of individuals who work with production channel, and of course we wanted to streamline our process by taking notes, and this is going to be one of the efficient way for us to not be able to mess up with the data we're sending. All right, thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.